the first day in the month of June 2026. Na minim say from last weekend no eba no nyina no weekend ni mu de ba no watete de asie the Parliament House. Na efa LGBT sebe obema ne bema na intrumu said ye beka no a ene de wo ho a ye di hu nkoma since in fact a unity in 2021 we wanted to push this agenda na yetimi hwe se Ghana yebetumi aboye ho bre free ho ye de koya me ho omo sponsor bill the koy 2024 ye hwese nka na do dan ko akufu ado be sign ehun sensem pi ne sign no antimi amaso ma ban no efiri so nti hwe ene ya abeto dwase ya agi atum no so ensem pi no na ahyase a eba. And this work in the Parliament of Ghana, mrashe bedwa ena wonu mo hwe sesa amra yi yebetumi apase na yagye atum na mampani so de ne nso ano na abeye mra na de na asia amadede abakurum anase mrashe bedwa ho no aye ya omudi bia pie kasafidie so ne ade nyina edom kuma eka wo mo de edom kese so ka wo mo de edom kuma chere se bill na ya pass no ensachrai bi wo ho a yaye no mu a wonu mu fin se de nanka ete kane no nanka yemfa saa nkoi because abanya wo su sesei no nkrofo saa bre no 2024 ne ade no mu pushi se saa de no a ne yanyintum na na do nsan ne de adan ne akoya amendments ensachrai kakra awum edom kese no so ensachrai no hu hia se yeye sanse etia wo man ne mra fa bi emra kunyini 1992 constitution no ede ne wom enu nti ne jatuato ye kana se de etie no a na de bia meka se the Parliament of Ghana over 200 MPs wo mugu parliament no wo mu ne gina yen nam se Ghana fo ede de yen ye pe ekomra so bedwa ho na yetimi jitum they are representing us. Woman see ya them. Now they be I am a cancer be say until the Parliament be get serious on issues a matter to Ghanaians. Na ye jai that MPP NDC any dede yono. O may ye be ko ni eba ni ye try ye ho sa taste pass one. Na as ye be a pegu them to ni asa be si faako. Because when it comes to issues a benefit parliamentarians they are eba omu loan ho nsensem ka eba omu allowance ho nsensem ka eba omu parliamentarians ne welfare emu ahoden animu ba ko ya wo mo ye de presa ade no ya na ye sonko. But when it comes to issues a matter to Ghanaians se unse eye kura no a asimasi be ka se nye na ya ye hu de ko wiase no na ye bibie wo se nye kura nso a asimasi so be ka se because penny ye enko manaban ana enko mane party. This is what is happening. But can parliament ya ko representing nyina ye what matters to Ghanaians. Ayen sempi dedaba LGBTQ ya pass de NDC dra Facebook na ye nantim kakra kwakura sante Joy News reporter na all parliament na kwakura sante etro on Facebook page ne ohun ewo ho ene bra debate ne koso nsachra ye koso nyina no otie debate ni nyina in fact through the second reading ni ade nyina no watie ni nyina re debate koso na say na kwakura sante a report here or say I was in parliament when this bill was relayed. I was there when the principles of the bill was debated at the second reading stage. I was there when the first amendments were passed. I was there when the disagreement on some exceptions came up. And I was there when the bill was passed. The only significant change, underline it, to this deeply problematic bill is the insertion of a clause exempting journalists, lawyers, and other professionals whose work might otherwise be deemed promotion of LGBTQ activities. Ni abrantie kanyina ne se ojina parliament o hwefri asase ekosi awieye and sachra na mpanimfo ye wo bail ne mu na eye sebesabe ntumuntu bail na ye pass si de wetia no na en sachra ye a wo mu ye wo mu no entintimai pa na se nsachre betumi aka se enu na eda ni mu ye ntintimai wa hoode pa igina mu kese eye se ye nsachre ye ne ya yi eye nsenthrofo aloyafo ene apomuden adwumafo bi ene adwumafo bi afri eye nkyekere ya saa emradada no ebekekere wo mu no enu no no se ekoso ewo ho na eye de enkyekere ye ena ebekoso ni etia ne say emradada no ye obi bi a friend duty to report je friend no to so ma me duty to report na de eno e kire ne say se wo ku se obi eye LGBTQ ni bi na one ko report wa ene da so clause 16 or say imposes an obligation on a person who has knowledge that an offense is committed under the bill to report the commission of this offense to a police officer, or in the absence of a police officer to a relevant authority of the community in which the offense is committed. A relevant authority other than the police who receives a report is required to lodge a complaint at the nearest police station within 3 days of receipt of the report. The clause further provides that provisions of Criminal Offences Act who say obi a committee offense LGBTQI bi wo mu no a wo benya information and a report say wo mu no esa wo report within 3 days to the police. Say police need you hu a obechi nti no say other than the police no to obi a wo be hu a wo nya press ni wo nya yu bia wo ya adwuma ni wo ya professional bi wo be hu no esa ko report within 3 days na eno no mo ye nsachira say ye wo professionals bi wo ho a o mo adwuma no ekekere wo mo so wo ntimi report nti we be we ya sabre no Honorable Reverend Ntim Fojo almost sign bi on the 4th of June 2025. Honorable Samuel Nate George nso sign bi eni ade a na the woman say Dr. Foa wo mo ye adwuma ne nurse fo no emra ne hye wo mo mra dada no nke ebe hye wo mo say obi ba ho na say doctor ni hwe no na say ohu so ye LGBT ni a eso wo report yare o de bae no ebia me fa ya fa ne to ama ne to aguagum nti ne to no mahu abeda onya asem ketua nti enu nti efiti nti wore aba doctor ni zi wonhwe no ene ade ebisu a wanya yare bi na ono an nkasa yimu bia wabeyi atumu se owo sa yare wi na true counseling na ebi kra doctor no etimi atietie na manipa na kirem se o ono kra ko ti bia se ebi mu nti le ma ni nya yare wi ana wo ko ha wi mu doctor ne ti ya no emradada no a na nsa kire yin maaye no e kire se doctor no report to sa ade no emi e kise nipa kro a wo LGBT ni mu. But oko health profession ni mu a apomdi adwuma ni mu a ye wo bibia ye friend no confidentiality a e kire se wo hwe obi no wo yare bi a onni ho kwan se o disclose won to se nipa na ma ho kwan se disclose ana emra no so sa hye se etwa se obi a o yare bia sick person bia so nya apomdi e se fata. Article 30 of our 1992 Constitution depicts the right to health care. It is so we gay new, so we deal as a winya apomden. Na say the same na dada no e kwa de tie ne say obi oye gay ni be suro so obekọ hospital go corner doctor ni hu a obe report no. It ye basa ne access to health care no. Ye deny no but constitution no so kire say as obi regardless enya ne health care. And a doctor no so a all nipa no so no sam na dada LGBTQ mra dada no e kekere no say etwa so ko report to client na wo hwe no patient no wo hwe no meanwhile ono so na dwuma mra mu kire say eni se odan obi asem adi kire obi foforo until say nipa na ma na kwan tie ba sa na conflict eno ni nyina eso baako about the professionals no baako no doctor for the apomden de no enti na etwa so mo ye nsa kire ya e be kire say doctor ni betumi akoso aye na adwuma said ye na adwuma no emra e kire no 2 ensentrofo a yenso bi a ye bo hu dawdo obi akofo obi to ha ye kyerotro ho report ne yade no eno nso no se unya hu na oye ho report pe e kire se ye hu ne se ase u promote nti wo so no hu hia se emra ene wudi etiekoba ne sa so article 162 of our 1992 Constitution, press freedom no ye chichire no because a report and na alma onkoye campaign say obi nkofa ne to tie koba ne sa na say embra kunyini no a embra bi ebe o memmo say kwhya ase no ase yetiatia so. Now lawyers enso professionals say LGBT ni ye ka say wodi for tie de ni kogina court na so ka say wokofa lawyer wo lawyer ni abeji atum say mesumi kogina mu amano no wo no wo so ye be charge wo anhwe ye kura be ko ye be betum die ntia because unko defend obi a owo LGBTQ mu emra dada no sa na na eka. But the amendment each say lawyer onipa do betumi anya right to a lawyer, which your 1992 constitution each say article 19 each say right to fair trial. Ese nipa bia ye bua ye ka say waye bibi no ese ma na kwanya mo no so timi ka na asem natural justice or ka na asem na court tie no na court a court of competent jurisdiction ka say asimesi na obentin odi for ansa na edimu because betumi abase nipa no kura no e ye ntwa to so na obi tan no no abeka to no so nti ko ba sa yedeni ko gina court no anya lawyer obetumi akeka na asem ni yi amano a ebi kura na wahu na asem ka yi nso na yentwa so nti ebra no so makwan article 19 of our constitution kire say esi onya right to a lawyer, right to fair trial na ade eti ebasa na yetiatia yanya memra kunni a ewo ho no so enti these amendments common logic. Some amendments clash with our constitution na enye nwanwa because of no marking in 2024 can say sa how we bia ene my amendment ninti eni senka Akufuado sign ono no wodi ntumi se Akufuado sign afenyo marking kan because ehia ensachiraye bia ebi ne yaboboso yi o can say a conflict with our constitution. It is ya nhwe ne ntu ho na mo a ebe hadwene afenyo marking kan sa asem no and nia entia ekoda Akufuado table so chair ne se manfo bi so de court kire se nsem bi ewo saa eye bill dada ni mu no emwa ema no ma enkoso. Now I want to play Afenyo Marking voice in 2024 na watie de o kan ye se ade no emra dada no etietia ye constitution no so efa bi and ma read some articles no e de akire no.
Do you think the law in its present form will be assented to by the president?
I can't speak for Mr. President, but I think that the law in its present form has questionable constitutional issues. The law as I see it, from how I've seen it, you know, the law cannot stand any serious test in any constitutional court. Great.
Afenyo Marking in 2024 osi said you see who LGBT mlada da no entimi nyina court bi animu se de Ghana mra betoto constitution bi e betoto ho a entimi nyina enti ono de ohia say it will need an amendment. It is our amendment na ebi akoso eneya omoye ye omode pass. This is Afenyo Marking saying say mlada da no se pass sa bre no kura enye papa ehian sachra enye se be conflict with your constitution ayewo ebi ne mabobode a kire no. This is clear. Clear said there is a constitutional clash, there's professional ethical clash because profession bia won ethics, especially health profession doctors no. The patient has the right to confidentiality. Unni say disclosing asem. To intimi ko report no abra patient no wodin asem echo. All these things are there. Afenyo acknowledge in 2024 say how wo ho ye the course emwa because constitutional clash. Now clear amendments need necessary. I agree. But the issue is that the NDC's dishonesty, any almost unprincipled stance, and we have a conversation. Because in 2024, when the NDC was in opposition, omu yusu LGBTQ mrano ejina so ekurisia konkon ema eno sam jate George di enimu ema no so edam magana fo hu omu yie ema ehun se NDC ema enam so mo de be wi ni tumi omu describe bill ne se eye perfect bibia ye comment Akufuado nsan. When Afenyo Marking was raising the same concerns, he said there be and maybe a woman about clashing with the constitution. The NDC was defending, oh, I perfect. At the end, woman on sign, and then I feel na much say bibi womunti when he has such a. You see that unprincipled stand, and of course this honesty. Nukredia enkoso. All the concerns raised before, you say, oh, because ye pay to me. In fact, they can't adhere pass where a work kesiye pass the boy NDC at those times na LGBTQ count. Because a sorry biana man penny be kwako jine mu biano no ma assurance say me ba me de me sign. But we all knew said there were problems. And I'm surprised that some judge say now we shouted there is nothing Akufo-Addo should sign, there is nothing Akufo-Addo should sign. A law, a bill, a dia kwa ya pass ya bibia ya kama other than Akufo-Addo sign that some judge ye did no. And then some judge who say what catching team for Joe say ono no ye counselor na wo cancel will be nipa na ba nanim so homosexual yinti opeso ojai na nipa no ba nanim no ono cancel na 24 amanejai na se wate enya knowledge se nipa ne ye bia no anko report no ye chintim for jo no a ebe de da na na some George ebisa na wo some sabre na ni we na nim se counselors ne health professionals ne ye omo ho be kire omo because sabre na sabe ono na wo push so omo nsan na amendment we no monye. You see how unprincipled it is. The U10 today. You are calling on Akufo-Addo. A trust in me so it is a Akufo-Addo sign ya. It was signed here nay. Nyan sign ya who will be mu sen kesi assistant will be my question. Come ye benya kwenya ye bim. If Akufo-Addo has signed the bill that time, and can ye benya kwenya this particular amendment in CAA, it has to take years before we can amend. Can we now say Akufo-Addo did well by not signing? Because was sign ya opportunity and kebenya nei etumia ye bibia yi in term no enka sabrin ke ye di piepia nka doctor for ye chi omo nurse for ye chi omo lawyer for ye chi omo nke ye chi journalist ka ti ye unya report be fire LGBT ki ye chi because you have the duty to report and I will refuse it. You see how politicians omotie. I will say the politicians omotie. Because no political points in we don't focus on what is right. Adi we nyadia say NDC should be defending. You should bow your heads in shame because once you were in parliament, you knew all these things having constitutional clashes. No, you still said bill ne okay. Akufo-Addo don't pass it. That was dishonesty. That was dishonesty. And then who said bibi now why is the minority also saying say and some pass that down? Mama ya won't munya no man here Ghana for any bro driver for never to case came no. A driver for never to case came no. Ye near bre wano. Ena petrol buono airco rent mebunu ntimi ntwia obi chese ensem we wokromu a bread and butter issues a ye ni abre no enye mu dede no what is the noise again? Noise na eba no na de na amendments na you say na those things near the no e noise ya because what is remaining the same they say LGBT no wo ya ye do betum up to 3 years na da so ho. Up to 10 years, who promote LGBT sponsor, ye do between 10 years. No, ni da so ho. What's the problem? Because the majority leader in parliament a confirm intim for journey afenyo mu nyina etiwobi waka say the proposals that came was concerning some professionals the year ye kan ho asem say enya constitutional clash no. Entina omo yes amendment no. It was the noise again. If that is clarified, what is the noise again?
The Speaker, take note of his expressions. He says that the bill that you presented to Akufo-Addo to sign, is it we who presented to Akufo-Addo to sign? You brought the bill to this house. The bill was passed for you the way you wanted, and then you are now accusing us of being the one. Which specific provisions of the Constitution are you subjecting it to? And you start throwing tantrums. And the Speaker is guiding you by pointing you to specific provisions of the Constitution which this Parliament has no authority to pass a law violating. One of it is right to counsel. Right to counsel means that the council must have the space, the immunity to be able to defend you, to advocate for your rights. Mr. Speaker, that is why in this chamber, every member of parliament is given immunity. Whatever you say here, you have immunity. The same way, a lawyer advocating in court must also be given immunity.
And you know, that was the majority leader expressing how constitutional clashes no ebekoso if they should allow it now amendments now ma. Bisa, this is a simple question. Why the noise? If parliament debate ni koso no, amendments na koso no, say ebi wo ha catch there see de ka ho a. Aden one reason ho. Kwaku asante se wo, nothing was said say ebi abibi fofre say ye de ka ho na ye ni say. Ediafe dede na wa bonte ne kire say. Ye wie mum ya nyi ne kwan ya befa so ene say the pressure no esi ba enoma ekono. If you believe say okay bill na nke e ma ne nye saa so de a na ne aden wa ma kufu ado ansan saa bre no. Anka say bibia ye kama nti ye de ba ye nye ne saa bre no. All of you agree said there is a problem. So if it's being corrected, what's the problem? But the hypocrisy on the two sides is too much. A hardly, and Parliament will what's ever more may tumpong. Muna mujina ya name. Parliament should get serious. The Parliament House should get serious. And have, debates are be matter to Ghanaians, be man no might me akwa yet sa we.
Nhyira 104.5